Welcome, aviation fanatics, to a whirlwind tour of Lisbon Airport departures. Buckle up for a 5-minute spectacle as we witness a dazzling display of aircrafts taking to the skies. Our aerial odyssey begins with a workhorse of the European sky, the TAP Air Portugal Airbus A320neo. This fuel-efficient aircraft boasts next-generation engines and advanced wingtips for enhanced performance. Watch it taxi down the runway with impressive maneuverability before taking off for the vibrant city of Barcelona, a popular tourist destination and a cornerstone of TAP's vast European network. Now, let's see the iconic orange livery of EasyJet grace the runway. This airline, a champion of affordable travel, connects passengers across Europe with its fleet of Airbus aircrafts. It embarks on its journey to the City of Lights, Paris. Here's the legendary United Airlines Boeing 757, a true workhorse that has served transatlantic routes for decades. This mid-sized jet boasts a reliable design and powerful engines. Watch it taxi down the runway with a sense of nostalgia before taking off for Dulles, Virginia, a major hub for United Airlines. Here comes another EasyJet Airbus A320, showcasing the airline's extensive network within Europe. This versatile aircraft is perfectly suited for shorter-haul flights, connecting passengers to exciting destinations like Manchester, a vibrant city in the north of England. Get ready for a blast from the past with a dash of modern technology. Witness the TAP Air Portugal Airbus A321neo sporting the stunning retrojet livery. This special design pays homage to the airline's heritage, featuring a retro color scheme reminiscent of TAP's early jets. Watch it taxi down the runway in a stylish display of history before taking off for Munich, a major economic and cultural center in Germany. The power of modern aviation technology. As the Finnair Airbus A320 gracefully reduced speed, notice how it deploys its reverse thrusters. This ingenious engineering marvel helps slow down the aircraft after landing, ensuring a safe and controlled arrival. This, my friends, is just a taste of the captivating world of aviation. Thank you for joining us on this plane spotting adventure. If you're a plane enthusiast or simply love the magic of flight, don't forget to like and subscribe for more aerial expeditions.